Hi, I'm Jamie from Jamie's Cuts and Clips. This is Riley. He is a 16-year-old Yorkie, and this is his first time with me. He's going to get a bath and a short haircut. So stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, Riley has been bathed and towel dried. I'm now going to use the blow dryer on him with no nozzle. I really don't know anything about his grooming history, so we're just going to go slow and take our time with him, being that the case and that he's also 16 years old. So. All right, so Riley is all dry now. I'm going to start on his pads, his sanitary, and his nails. But if you can just see underneath, he's completely matted. So yeah, he's going to have to be short all over, and he'll probably feel a lot better too. So let's get started. All right, now that that is all done, I'm going to start on his body. I'm going to try my 5 blade. I'm sure I'll be able to get through the top just fine. It's just the underneath here that I might have to go a little bit shorter to get all this matting out. All right. Riley's body is pretty much done for the most part. I'm going to start on his head. So I'm going to do some thinning shears and my scissors and my comb. So let's get started. All right, this little guy is all done. We had a little fuss with the face, but that's typical. He's probably got a very sensitive mouth, I imagine, with his tongue hanging out and all that. But we got through it. He looks super cute. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.